So you've heard that fiber is really good for you, especially with all the research coming out about the microbiome. And that gets you thinking, what are the top sources of fiber that I can add to my diet? Don't go reaching for that steak because you will find no fiber there, but you will find it in all plant foods. So it's time to look at the top 5 sources of fiber. There's a lot of information out there on this topic and it's not all consistent, but this list will give you a good idea of many high fiber food sources so you can help your good gut bacteria thrive and ramp up your health. Don't forget that you generally want to focus on whole foods or minimally processed foods, and this list will help you do just that. Number 5. Sweet potato. One medium sweet potato will give you a solid 5 grams of fiber. As if that weren't sweet enough, potatoes of all kinds are good sources of resistant starch, which feed your good gut bugs just like fiber does because it can resist digestion in the small intestine and make it into the colon. But wait, isn't starch bad? We'll discuss this more in other videos, but the short answer is no. Grains and beans are also good sources of resistant starch. Speaking of grains, number 4, whole grains. Note that not all grains are top sources, but here we have barley groats, whole barley, not pearl barley, at 5.5 grams per half cup, and wheat bran dry at 12.4 grams per half cup, or a more reasonable amount that you might consume, 3.1 grams per 2 tablespoons, which is still a good amount. Number 3, artichoke. One medium artichoke will give you 6.4 grams of fiber. Number 2, which could arguably be number 1, chia seeds. In a single 2 tablespoon serving, you will get almost 7 solid grams of fiber. Not to mention all the other great things that come with chia seeds, like those omega-3s. And before we get to number 1, there are some honorable mentions that didn't quite make the list, but are still really good sources and will help you get more variety. Raspberries, 4 grams per half cup. Blackberries, 3.8 grams per half cup. Acorn squash, 4.5 grams per half cup cubed. And avocado, 4.6 grams per half cup mashed. And the number 1 spot goes to beans. Specifically, we have lentils at 6 grams per half cup cooked. Split peas at 8.1 grams per half cup cooked. Black beans at 9 grams per half cup cooked, navy beans at 9.5 grams per half cup cooked, and the small red bean at 10 grams per half cup cooked. Were there any things on this list that surprised you or things that you thought should be on here? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more truth about food.